I wanted to make sure that the deer didn't eat my elderberry again. So I put up a little barrier to discourage them with these Coke bottles that had been left behind by the former owners. There's a lot more than what's up here, but you know. That one doesn't have any blooms on it because the deer practically ate it to nothing last year. It was just a stick. It's finally re-sprouted some branches, but the poor thing can't have that. And if you look down here, I've got some lemon balm planted. I try to keep it near the bee yard in places that the bees like, because apparently the bees like lemon balm. So I'm all for it. But the bees definitely like the elderberry. I just saw one over here. Is she still here? Maybe not. Guess not. But yeah, the bees do love the elderberry, which is why I'm getting some berries. It's so exciting. I can't wait for them to ripen. I've got so many plants. Oh, there's a girl.